How to send stickers on IMO. Want to express yourself with stickers? This guide shows you how to send stickers on IMO so you can add some fun to your chats. First, open the chat with the contact or group that you want to send the stickers to. At the bottom of the screen, you'll see a text input box. To the left, you'll see a smiley face icon. Tap on it to open the stickers menu. From the menu that appears, you'll see a lot of different stickers. You can scroll through the stickers and find the one that you want to send. You can also download a new sticker packs from the sticker store. Once you find the sticker that you want to send, just tap on it to send it. You can also find a new sticker packs in the sticker store. Go to the sticker store, tap on the plus icon in the sticker menu, and you'll see a lot of different sticker packs that you can download and use in your chats. It's a great way to express yourself with stickers. You now know how to send stickers on IMO. Get ready to add some fun to your chats. Like and subscribe for more iPhone app tips.